So, hello Java developers. Let's solve another question problem of these 500 program series. So, this is our question problem. Count vowels from this string basics series. So, count vowels. So, how to count vowels? Let's see in VS Code. Now we are in VS Code and let's write your program in this. First, we create a file count vowels dot java and your file name and class name must be same. So write your public class count vowels. So inside this class and main method write your public static void main and create a scanner class object scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in and semicolon. Okay. After that system dot out dot println enter a string str equal to sc dot next line. So it will take string as an input. After that create a variable to count store count from initialize from 0. Okay, then use for loop for int I equal to 0, I is less than string str dot length I plus plus. Okay, go inside this for loop and in this for loop what we can do character ch equal to character dot max I note. What we need to do count vowels. So first we convert our letters into lowercase and show our string. So character at index I. Okay, this has done. To use this for loop and we can also use if statement. If character is equal to a or character is equal to e or character ch is equal to e I, we should use this outside this for loop. I think of this right away. Character ch is equal to I o ch is equal to u. If this happens, go inside this if statement and it will count plus plus. So I think we should write this program statement and inside this one. Is there any issue in our statement? Okay, that was the problem because of double quotes. We should write these inside this single quotes and after that print some dot. vowels is plus inside this count and run this programming. So let's check how many vowels are there. There is three vowels, check O, A and I. So these are the three vowels we used in this program. So this is the program to count vowels inside this string. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if this video is helpful for you.